Okay, our second part of our lessons, and I share my screen with our formulas. Okay, so we need to calculate such parameters as what it is value adding tax. We have in Ukraine the same parameters, we have in other countries the same parameters. We need to calculate it as 20% of the amount of the customs value of the goods, duties, and excise duty. So please write on your paper or in your electronic documents that what VAT is equal to opened our quantity and write please your CV. It is customs value of goods. We all already used it everywhere. CV, your customs value of goods, plus your duty. It is your maximum from ad valorem and specific duty, and your calculation AD. It is excise duty. So we have a sum of these three parameters, and sums of these three parameters we multiplied on 0.2. It's already done in these formulas. We don't use percent, we used pieces. So we already divided it on 100. So all result in hryvnias here in these formulas, and we find 20% from this sum. I could open that you used CV from table 3.1. D, it is the result of calculation 3.2, 3.3. And AD, it is the result 3.4 formulas. Okay, and our last formula, I think you find it already. 3.1, it is our total amount, total costs of our customs deliveries. We could say about it. And we need TA, total amount. TA is equal to our duty. It is our maximum from ad valorem and specific duty, the result of our 3.2, 3.3 formulas, plus our customs duties. You remember that you find it on from the table J.2 and we find it in hryvnias. You already write CD. Plus AD, it is excise duty, our formula 3.4, and plus the result of our formula 3.5 that we could already calculated few minutes ago. So we need to find the sums of these four parameters, and it will be our total costs about delivering from this part of road. Everything of these parameters is in hryvnias, so we find it and we find the total cost. This money we need to pay by only the delivery on customs. So we could find this information under the formula that customs clearance of goods and their passage can be carried out only after payment of total amount of customs payment. So we pay this all these parameters calculated for us for our goods, and we need to pay it, and after it we put to deliver it in country. In our example, it is into Ukraine from other countries. So we find this all these parameters. It is not very good. It is not very actual information because we have these parameters from this table. It is very specific, not really real information. It is as example, and we could find this information and find that we have some types of duty. We have what, for example, value adding task. We have excise duty, customs duties, and that it for you that you want now this information that such types of different payment really is, and we could to find it. Okay, so the result will be in green. As you could leave 2 point after comma. It will be enough. And it is your answer. You could write answer that total amount will be, and you could write the result of this formula 3.1. Yeah, as your answer for these tasks. Save please your document or take a photo of your paper. I stop sharing my screen and stopped our record.